Hello, my name's Kristi Wallin, and I'm the director of the Laramie County Library Foundation. And it's my good fortune to come to work every day at this beautiful library. And I work to gather private and corporate support for our library. And we have so many great donors who support the library and its programs, particularly summer reading, which is Imagine Your Story this year. And I love summer reading because who doesn't have great memories of lazy summers where you can get a big old stack of books and just go through them and learn and imagine. And our library supports summer reading to a great extent. We have programs throughout the summer. But so make sure you sign up and get your reading card. And the goals are either 25 books, 25 hours, or 25 days in a row reading. And you know what? A lot of adults do it too. And even last year I thought, I'm going to do it. I'm going to listen to 25 audiobooks. It was tough, but I did it. So anyway, we look forward to seeing you at the Laramie County Library. And we appreciate your support of the Laramie County Library Foundation, and we hope that you participate in summer reading and imagine your story. Thanks.